I'm General Manager for Little & Sons Ag Sales here in the Herbert. We're a family company. We've been here for 38 years. Our roots are in aerial agriculture. My two brothers run that division, and myself and Mum and Dad still are involved in the business in the rural merchandise side. We service more than 200 growers in the Herbert region and in Tully. We've got very strong, loyal relationships over the years that we've been in business. They trust us very much with their crops. In the tropics, you've got a very small window of opportunity to apply chemical. Coming around September, October, you've got a lot of storm weather, and then you've got the looming monsoon. So you need a chemical that's going to give you a simple, one-step, single pass, and it'd be a useful tool in that application. Bobcat i-MAXX is a great tool for that purpose, for grass and broadleaf weed control.
This block here was sprayed about 4 months ago with Bobcat i-MAXX. As you can see, an outstanding result. Now we're going to go and have a look at a block that was actually missed by the farmer through mechanical reasons, and we'll see the difference when i-MAXX is not used. So we see here a block in stark contrast to the one we just visited. Was unable to apply Bobcat i-MAXX due to weather and mechanical problems, and we see a massive guinea grass, red convolvulus, arsenic weed, you name it, it's in here. So the farmer has had a first-hand experience of the difference between Bobcat i-MAXX and no Bobcat i-MAXX. These weeds and grass would be restricting the uptake of nutrients for the cane. They're in competition to the cane for fertiliser and all sorts of different things. So I think that a picture paints 1,000 words. There's no need to say much more really.
What I liked about the product is there's no time restrictions, so you can put it on whenever you feel it's best for your ground.
Certainly Bobcat i-MAXX is more flexible than your more regulated products. Up here in the Herbert, close to the Great Barrier Reef Lagoon, farmers are screaming out for a product that they're not going to put them under so much pressure for their environmental stewardship. And Bobcat i-MAXX picks up the ball where the other chemicals have dropped them.
Safer for the reef, so I don't like to have problems with anything. I want to do the best I can for the reef and for my paddocks. So far I think I've done well for the reef and the paddocks.
Bobcat i-MAXX has been a saviour for our farming practices. It's provided a safer tool to manage broadleaf weeds and grasses in relation to our proximity to the reef. Without i-MAXX, I don't know where we'd be. We'd be really having to look for something else to go through the cane.
I'll certainly recommend Bobcat i-MAXX in the Herbert. We've been here for nearly 40 years in rural merchandise, and we want to see the farming community thrive here for another 40 years.